your house looks extremely messy right now and your brain feels just as messy, I want you to know I see you. I have had so many days where cleaning just feels so overwhelming. I have no motivation. Maybe I'm feeling a little sad and depressed and that sort of thing, where the house isn't just cluttered, but it feels heavy. And when you're a busy mom, it's not just trying to juggle everything. It's not just about like the mess. It's about the mental load that comes with it. So today I wanted to share what I do and some cleaning tips, some hacks, some steps that I do to clean my house when I'm feeling overwhelmed. It is by no means perfect. I am not about perfection here. I am about progress over perfection, from chaos to calm, and really and truly just doing my best and trying to give myself some grace along the way. And I hope that me sharing this with you is going to also help you to feel super calm, super relaxed, and just at more peace in your home and in your mind. Let's go. Start with just one small space, not a whole room. Not your entire kitchen, not your entire living room, just one space. Like your coffee table or your bathroom counter or one side of your kitchen counter. Like whatever it is, just start with that one small space. That is my laundry going off. So that's it. Clear it, wipe it, tidy it. Like that's it. There's no pressure to do anything else. Just start small and just start. The second tip is to start a timer and race against the clock. Set a 10-minute timer and you will be so surprised how much you actually get done in that allocated time slot. The goal isn't to clean everything. The goal is to just get done what you can in that 10-minute time slot. What this does is it actually helps to break like the mental freeze that we get. It's that mental block, the mental clutter. It helps to just like get past it so that you can create a ripple effect, and that can then compound and lead you. I always say it's like the ripple effect chore, right? Things like making your bed, things like starting the dishwasher, or emptying the dishwasher, things like that. Those create that ripple effect, which help to release the feelings of being overwhelmed, because action is the cure to feeling overwhelmed. So go ahead, my friends, set that timer, include your kids if you want, crank up the music, and just get it done. Your future self will thank you for it. Step 3 is to reduce visual clutter with small visual wins. Hear me out. I want you to pick something that you'll see right away. Again, for me, this is things like making the bed, clearing the countertops. Those two things alone can make or break what's happening in your mind. It gives you an instant boost of gratification because it appears to be clean. It doesn't even necessarily have to be clean. Just tidy it. The visual reset helps to reset your brain, and you will be surprised at how much that actually affects you. You see, the truth is, the hardest part about cleaning your house isn't physical. It's mental, it's emotional, it's the guilt, the shame, the burnout, like everything, all of those feelings. No matter how much you do, there will always be more. There will always be more mess. There will be always more cleaning to do. There will always be more things on your to-do list. And that is why I finally reached out for support. The mess wasn't just in my house, but it was also in my mind. I started therapy with today's paid partner, BetterHelp, and I couldn't be more grateful. BetterHelp is an online platform that connects you with a credentialed therapist from the comfort of your own home. What I love about BetterHelp, especially during the summer, is you don't have to find childcare or wait weeks for an appointment. You can text, call, or video chat, whatever feels right for you. And BetterHelp has honestly helped me and get tools to manage the mental load of motherhood. I've learned to give myself some more grace at home, and just generally speaking, give grace to those around me. If you've been feeling stuck, burnt out, or overwhelmed, I cannot recommend BetterHelp enough. You can get 10% off your first month using my link. I will put it here on the screen. You can go to www.betterhelp.com/Brianne Walter to get a discount off your entire first month. You can also click the link down below in the description box. Let's go ahead and get into step 4. Daily reset zones. Things like my entryway, my kitchen, and my main living area are all areas of my home that it doesn't matter what the rest of my house looks like. If those areas are clean and tidied, I feel so much better. So don't worry, I'm not gonna take you into my basement. So again, resetting those 2 to 3 spots in your house completely changes the game of your house. It doesn't matter what is happening in the rest of it. If you do have those dedicated areas that are clean, you can come home, you can unwind and de-stress in those areas. The next step is to make cleaning part of your day. Now, you might be thinking, what the heck does that mean? Like, cleaning is part of my day. Here's what I mean. Instead of trying to find time to clean your house, just layer it into your day. Here's how. You can start the dishwasher while you're waiting for your morning coffee to brew. You can toss a load of laundry in while you're waiting for something else to happen. Wipe down the bathroom sink right after you're brushing your teeth. It feels like you are stacking chores rather than adding more to your plate, if that makes sense. So this just naturally integrates those cleaning tasks into your day-to-day life. Step 6 is to use what I call the 6 most important things list, but you're gonna narrow it down to 3. Ask yourself, what are 3 things that I can do right here, right now, that's gonna change the game for me? You'll notice some similarities in these, but some examples of these are clearing the counters, taking out the trash, fluffing the pillows, putting the blankets up. Again, these visual wins help you to reduce that visual clutter and stimulation and help to get the momentum going. You're not trying to like clean the entire room, you're just trying to focus on one space, which leads me into the next one, number 7, which is to let go of the idea of the whole room needing to be deep cleaned. It's like that Instagram worthy expectation, right? You go on Instagram, you go on YouTube, you go on social media, and all you see is the highlight reel. All you see is these beautifully pictured style homes, and really in the background, there's probably a huge mess going on that you just don't see. Again, you're seeing the highlight reel. The truth is, I was a professional cleaner for years. You do not have to clean and deep clean an entire room in order to see a difference. You can do those little tasks here and there, and they will accumulate and create a less visually stimulating atmosphere for you. Again, it's all about progress over perfection. The next one is to clean while you supervise. This is a total game changer if you have little kids at home. It's kind of like the I have to be here, so like I may as well do something moments. And I'm talking about like when your kids are in the bathtub and you can't leave them unattended. So maybe you give the bathroom like a quick little wipe down. Maybe you just like put all the towels in the dirty laundry. Maybe while you're helping your older kids with homework, you're folding the laundry. Things like that. It's like I have to be here, I have to supervise my children, but I can still be doing something else. You're not having to find extra time or create hours in the day. You are simply layering it in. The next one is one of my favorite things to do that has changed my life as a busy mom, and that is to do a brain dump. I have talked about this before because I am so passionate about it, and it's just so powerful. If you haven't heard of a brain dump, all you do is you take 5 minutes. That's it. You have 5 minutes, trust me, this will change your life. Take 5 minutes and get your thoughts down onto paper. There is power in getting your thoughts out of your brain. Take 5 minutes and write down everything that comes to your brain. I'm talking chores, worries, appointments, like literally anything that comes to your brain. Get it out onto the paper, whatever's on your mind, and make space for clarity. Number 10 is don't sit down yet. I know. If you were like anything like how I used to be, like when I sit down, it's game over. I'm not moving. Like, don't ask me anything, don't talk to me, don't look at me, it's game over. It's as simple as that. So prior to allowing yourself to sit down, tackle some of those chores. Instead of going to sit down right after dinner, something I like to do is I like to clear my table, get everything off, get the dishes into the dishwasher, get it loaded. Again, wipe those countertops, switch the laundry over. Just do one more thing before you take the time to actually sit down, and then you can rest. Which leads me to the bonus tip, which is to rest. Yes, rest. Once again, it has been proven that 10 minutes of rest can completely reset your nervous system. And I'm talking no cell phones, like no screens, no nothing, just 10 minutes of peace and quiet and silence. Even though it's summer, one of my favorite things to do is curl up on the couch with a nice cozy blanket and a hot decaf coffee. It calms my body, it calms my mind, and so find what that is for you. So again, you don't need to deep clean to feel better. Just start with these small, actionable steps and I promise you will feel way less overwhelmed when it comes to cleaning your home. If this helped you, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel as a smaller creator. And if you like simple home tips, motivation, and inspiration on how to just manage your home as a busy mom, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our community and be part of our growing YouTube family. And don't forget to check out BetterHelp if you would like 10% off your entire first month of BetterHelp. I highly, highly recommend it if you're feeling overwhelmed in your home and need that additional support. Check out the link down below in my description, and we will see you next week for a new video. Bye.